If you want to build your own mobile app in less than 30 minutes on iOS or Android without any complicated codes, watch this video until the end. Step 1. Visit Good Barber website. Let me introduce you to Dominique, Sebastian, and Jerome, 3 innovative founders from Corsica, a small island nestled between France and Italy. 13 years ago, they joined forces to create what has become one of the top no-code platforms available today. This platform, called Good Barber, stands out as one of the easiest tools for building and launching mobile apps. Now, let's go and start building an app. When you explore their website, you'll notice that Good Barber is specifically designed for mobile app development. Perfect for apps you want to publish on the iOS or Android stores. The platform focuses on being user-friendly while delivering amazing features for app creation. Either you're building basic and on-the-go apps or something more advanced, like e-commerce or subscription-based membership apps, this platform has you covered. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step shortly. Good Barber offers more than just app-building tools. It also supports app marketing, provides access to detailed statistics, and helps you monetize your app. For instance, if you're running an online store, the platform includes tools for order fulfillment and inventory management. Additionally, it features over 190 plugins and supports integration with third-party APIs, enabling you to add advanced functionalities to your app. Step 2. Choose a template. So now, let's go to the website. In the search bar, just type in goodbarber.com and you'll see this page. Next, click Create an App. This initiates a direct onboarding process designed for beginners. Even if you have no prior experience, this platform makes it easy to build an app. Whether your goal is personal use or earning your first income by creating an app for a local business, this tool is equipped to help. To get started, select a template. Options include restaurants, online courses, local delivery, and pickup services. For this example, we'll use a delivery and pickup template to design an app where users can order flowers and pick them up at a store. Next, you'll select a theme and navigation style. For this demonstration, I'll create a classic app with bottom icons and name it Flower Power. After entering my email, the platform will automatically generate the app. Once it's ready, you'll see a functional prototype with features like adding items to a cart, browsing sections, and completing checkout. Step 3. Customize the theme. To personalize your app, begin by changing its style. You can modify the color scheme, select fonts that suit your taste, and adjust the layout to align with your vision. For instance, update the color palette, choose a preferred font, and customize icons or sections. Additionally, you can reorganize the app's structure by adding new sections or removing existing ones, such as deleting a promo banner or introducing a product list. Good Barber provides plenty of flexibility, allowing you to customize each section's appearance with display options like sliders or individual item listings. Step 4. Edit content and structure. After finalizing the design, proceed to update the app's content. Replace placeholder items with your actual inventory by editing sections like plants or bouquets. You can either import a complete list of products along with stock quantities or add each item manually. Group your products into collections such as dried flowers or seasonal specials for better organization. Step 5. Enhance app functionality and start launch. Once your app's design, structure, and content are finalized, it's time to get ready for launch. Start by updating the launch screen with a high-quality image or custom design to give your app a polished and professional appearance. Next, create an app icon, either using the platform's tools or with the assistance of a designer. Decide where you want to publish your app, the iOS store, the Android store, or as a progressive web app. Good Barber simplifies the process with a comprehensive checklist to ensure your app meets all publishing requirements. You can also preview your app and test it using a QR code. After launching, the platform provides many tools to help you manage your app effectively. These include order management, client lists, CRM functionality, and detailed app analytics. For apps built for clients, you can grant them access to these features and guide them on how to use them. Additionally, Good Barber offers engagement tools like push notifications and email integration to keep users connected and engaged with your app. Step 6. Test and preview the app. First, use the preview mode to experience the app's functionality. Second, generate a QR code for easy sharing and testing. Now let's go over to the additional tips and strategies. Tip number 1. Learn how to attract paying customers for your app. Building a website or app is just the beginning. To make it successful, you need to attract paying customers. Start by understanding your target audience, who they are, what they need, and where they spend their time online. Create a marketing strategy that includes tactics like social media promotion, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising. Use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target potential customers directly. Additionally, you can build an email list to nurture relationships with your audience and convert them into paying customers through engaging newsletters, discounts, and offers. Collaborating with influencers or industry partners can also help you expand your reach and credibility. Tip number 2. Watch additional tutorials on building and monetizing apps. Mastering the basics is great, but there's always more to learn when it comes to building and monetizing apps. Explore advanced tutorials that dive into specific features like integrating payment gateways, optimizing user interfaces, or using analytics tools to track app performance. Learn how to implement monetization strategies such as in-app purchases, subscription models, or ads to generate steady income. Platforms like YouTube, online courses, and community forums are excellent resources for staying updated with the latest trends and techniques. By continuously expanding your knowledge, you'll be better equipped to improve your app's functionality, user experience, and profitability. So in this video, you learned how to build a mobile app in under 30 minutes using Good Barber, a powerful no-code platform. We covered everything from selecting a template, customizing the design and content, to preparing your app for launch on the iOS or Android store. Good Barber also offers tools for managing marketing, sales, and app statistics. Now that you know how to build your own mobile app from scratch, I'd love to hear, what type of app are you planning to create first? Drop your answers in the comments below. Moreover, the next video might be about earning hundreds of dollars by owning a small YouTube channel. How? It's for you to find out, so stay tuned for more videos that you don't want to miss.